he was saying how like his door can open to be a bigger living room.
Mm-hmm.
Closet area in there. More closet area. And then that door leads to the backyard. Okay.
This one has a full bathroom in it too.
Okay.
And then there's a washer and dryer downstairs.
Alright. This is the kitchen. Ow.
Off-street parking.
This is the basement. Can we look?
Yeah. I don't know if the light's on.
Never mind, I'm scared of basements.
Oh.
But the washer and dryer is downstairs.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I see that room?
Yeah, I don't think there's anyone in it.
I think he's in there.
Oh, okay. He's not. We can open it? Oh, okay. Sorry. I didn't want to barge in. They just want to look around.
The bathroom's cool.
The bathroom?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a nice view. This is the bathroom view. There's a tub.
That's cool.
Shower head. How much did you say this was? I forgot.
It's 21.
21? Okay. Thank you.
Did you have 4 or 5 roommates?
I have 3, so then we
Okay.
have to find another one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, you can. So on the second floor, there's 2 bedrooms and 1 full bath.
Mm-hmm.
And there's a little like sunroom off this bedroom, and then 2 more bedrooms and a bath upstairs.
Oh, that was low story.
Yeah, and then the captain's porch off that. So,
Yeah. Hi. Can I look? Alright.
This is the best room. Hi, Maddie.
The best room. Shower.
I'm gonna come with you. My Maddie wants to say hi to you.
Hey, Maddie.
Hi.
Hey, how are you? Did you pick up that little feather? I was hoping someone would get that.
How are you? Another bedroom.
This is the other bedroom.
Yeah, they're all kind of crossing together.
Oh, this is nice. That's like a sunroof area.
And even like the off-street parking was right back there.
Oh, okay.
Hello?
2 closets.
Not so much showing 14-inch bed. That's all. What time will you be on?
3-story house. Ugh.
Your mom visits sometime soon.
Hey.
No.
Hi. Good. This is the deck.
This is less fun.
Kitty.
And 2 bedrooms and a bath.
There's a big room. Some closet area. More closet area. It's a fat cat of yours. Is this another room? There's another rooms. And then a bathroom. And that's it.